React is a JavaScript library used for building user interfaces. It was created by Facebook and has quickly become the most popular front-end framework out there. And if you're looking for a job as a web developer, then knowing React is a must. Currently, it's used by companies, large and small, to build modern and interactive web applications. But what is the problem that React tries to solve? Traditionally, when creating web pages, web developers marked up their content and created the structure with HTML. Then they added some stylings with CSS, and at the end maybe some user interactions with JavaScript. And this still works when the interaction is a nice to have feature, but now it is expected for many sites and all applications, so React puts interactivity first while still using the same technology. So before React, web developers had to manually update the DOM, the document object model, every time something changed on the page. For example, with vanilla JavaScript, you would typically have to manually update the DOM, which could be slow and error-prone. For example, if you wanted to change the text of a button when it is clicked, you could do it by using the add event listener in JavaScript and then changing the content inside. So this operation would change the button on the screen, but this could get complex and inefficient, and React introduces a smarter way to handle this by introducing the virtual DOM. So React creates a copy of this DOM and it calls it as a virtual DOM, and this is what makes React much faster and more efficient than using the vanilla JavaScript alone, and you don't have to worry about manually updating the DOM elements. For example, for the same situation where you have to update the button, React first updates it in the virtual DOM and then it compares the virtual DOM with the real DOM, and it only updates the necessary elements without touching the others. So this is why React is so fast and efficient. React also introduces the concept of components. A component is a small and reusable piece of code that can represent anything like a button or like inputs or the whole form, or this can be also the whole page. So anything that you see on the screen is a component in React. And this way, components will help us organize our code and make it easier to maintain. And instead of having to write a bunch of code for the same element multiple times, you can create one component and use it wherever you need it. For example, you can write a code to have a component as a button, and you can write the primary button version of it. And then you can create as many variations of this button as you want, like a warning button, a danger button, and a success button. And all of these are using the same piece of code of the component, which is the button component in React. For example, Netflix uses React for their web application. So all of the things that you see here are React components. For example, these are movie cards, which are React components, or these are question cards, which are again React components. And this component structure helps Netflix to provide a smooth user experience even as their platform grows and scales. So even if you click on one of these things, the page doesn't refresh and it seems like you're staying on the same page.